Hello everyone, this is Mr. Molo. Since I'm gone today, I decided to make a video to show you what you need to get done. So first of all, you're going to finish the movie. There's about 25 minutes left of that. After the movie, you will have a quiz about it. I was nice and gave you 2 attempts on the quiz. So when you go through and take it the first time, if you select false for a true-false question and it ends up being wrong, well then you know what the answer is. And I was also nice and put about half the questions on the quiz are about the last 25 minutes. So just paying attention today should get you a pretty decent grade on it. So first thing you're going to do is finish the movie. And then once we go into the January 10th folder here, there's a couple things in there. So you'll finish the movie first, then I would take the quiz on it, and then if you haven't done the movie sheet, which about half of you have done, I would get that done. So movie, take the quiz, and then fill out those 3 questions. Remember, with those 3 questions, if you do it on your Chromebook, you can answer the questions right there on Kami, and if you do it on the desktop, you're going to have to open up a Google Doc and then save it and then submit it to Schoology that way. But either way, you can do it. Chromebook's probably a little bit easier, but some of you might already be logged into your desktops. After you're done with that, I assume you'll probably have about 10-ish minutes left. You're going to go to this Tinkercad link. So the robots aren't going to be here in time, so we're going to move on to the next project, which is the 3D printing stuff. So just like with the picture frames and the laser engraver talked to the printer by using Corel Draw, so we had to make our designs with Corel Draw. The 3D printers that we have will talk to the computers and the printers by using Tinkercad. So we need to learn how to use Tinkercad in order to 3D print something. So once I click on that link there that's in Schoology, make sure you go to the Schoology link. Don't just go to tinkercad.com. So it'll say, welcome to Mr. Molo's Gateway classes. Join with a nickname, join with a username. We're not going to do any of those. We're going to go and join with our Gmail. So I'm going to click on this G here. And then it'll ask me which account do I want to join with. I'm already a member with my Hastings account, so I'm going to join with my personal email. It might have you put in your password again, so just enter your password from your Hastings apps. Then it says by clicking continue, you agree to the terms. And then it says, do you want Autodesk to send you emails? I don't want it to send me emails, so I would leave that unclicked. And then click continue. And then now I'm into Tinkercad. So then on Wednesday, when we get into this, I will show you how to use some things. We'll do some of the lessons, but for today, I just want to make sure everybody's into the account. So now with the last couple minutes left of class, you can go ahead and tinker with this.